and I have been in Xiamen for 10 years, and I studied in Xiamen. And I started the college in Xiamen, and after I graduated from college, I made a decision to stay here for a job. I'm so lucky, and I'm so happy to stay in Xiamen for work. And Susan, when did you come to Xiamen?
Well, I've been in Xiamen for 3 years. I actually graduated from another city, but I came here because of many factors: the beautiful scenery, the yummy foods, the pretty people, and the chance for foreign trade here. Since this is my major in college, and I think it's a good choice to be here.
Yeah, it seems that Xiamen has a lot of charm. Guys, have you ever been to Xiamen before? I strong recommend this southeast city in China. You will fall in love with this city. And this city has the beautiful scenery, the famous Gulan Island, and the Zheng Chenggong sculpture. You must be know the Zheng Chenggong sculpture. And I don't know, have you ever heard about the Zheng Chenggong? But it is not just a hero in our heart. It is also there is a very funny says that the Zheng Chenggong can protect us, can protect this city destroyed by the typhoon. I just made a joke, but you can see that Zheng Chenggong play an important role. Gulan Island scenery is so beautiful, and of course, Xiamen is not just has the Gulan Island, and also Xiamen University and the Temple of the Nampitua and so on. These are deserved to visit. Xiamen is also a special economy zone. Many international big fairs are held in Xiamen every year. The people all over the world come to China for business. This busy city has a lot of chance, so we stay here for work. I hope that we can settle down here and buy a small house, but houses in Xiamen is really expensive. I cannot afford it now, and I would like to have a sea-view room. I'm so excited, even just thinking about it. Susan, would you want to settle down in Xiamen in the future?
Yeah, sure, if I could. It's also a dream for me to own a civil house. Even now, I just can't afford it, but our company has brought this right. We can see the sea every day sitting at the right desk.
By the way, we have the good control in coronavirus 19. So Xiamen Marathon 2021 was held successfully last week. And I heard that Susan go to see the marathon. And a total of 15,000 numbers of runners from 29 countries attend this running race. If you are want to know more about the race details, guys, you can Google it. And next, Susan, can you introduce our company?
Yes. Our company vision is to make your life better. Our mission is to become leader of health massage products. And that's our great values. Customer first, wonderful teamwork, embrace change, passion, and the honest. We have worked with top customers all the world. For example, SN supplies with Scan KS, etc. US, Europe, Japan, South Korea is our main market, and our products have been exported to more than 30 countries.
And our product range covers vast wonderful massage items such as massage gun and head massage, eye massage and neck massage, leg massage and other massage accessories. And we have strong producing capacity. Our country is about 10,000 square meters. We have over 500 employees. All our items are certificate with CE certificate and FCC, and we are able to guarantee all customers certification. Please join with us and let's work together. Top challenge any difficult in future. We strive to provide best products and service to our customer. And next, I will introduce you our products. And look at this. This is a humidifier, and it is very small. Just I can put it in my hand. And look at this package. Look at this package. It has the 3 color: pink, blue, and green. And this one is the green color. And let's open it and see what inside. We can see one menu in English, and one filter, and one USB plug, and this one is our humidifier. It's quite small. Look at this shape. This is like an apple. This one is like an apple. And let's open the lid. Open this. And I have prepared the water. See this? Twist this like that. You could see the filter inside. And put this filter into the water for a second. The filter, and you could see the surface of this one is made of the crystal, and you can see the surface is shiny, right? Okay, now we give this up and put inside. Okay. And we put some water into this tank. It's quite easy. I think everybody can do it. And look at this. There is the open switch here. Now we use this USB plug. The line, and we connect to the USB plug. Now, let's see. We open this. I'm sorry, we changed the connection. You see, when we connect to the power, the lights will on, and then we press the open switch.
Yeah, I see the mist.
Yes, can you see the mist? It's finding mist.
Yeah.
Maybe the light is too strong. Now can you see? Has a background, maybe you can see more clearly. it's very nice and good for us, especially we work behind the work before the computer, and also if we feel very dry our eyes and our skin, and we can use this, and this one can have a good care for our skin. And the humidifier is the product features. This product features is the warm color and has a night light, and also the mist of this one is very funny, and the tiny mist, you can see it, and this one can move the static electricity and reduce the computer screen radiation, and it can reduce the smoke pollution. I think because it's very small, it's easy to take away. It's portable and convenient. This one, and let me see about the menus. Look at these menus. It shows us about the parameters. The operating voltage is the DC 5 volt, and operating current 350 million ampere, and the power is the 2 watt, and the water tank capacity is the 120 milliliter. And this size is very small. It's about 100 millimeter by 100 millimeter. And can you hear the sounds? It's quite silent. Now I want to tell you something about these instructions, and make sure that the operating voltage is the DC 5 volt when using the machine. And when we connect to the power supply, the light is on, and the machine has the setting power protection. When its sprays lasts 3 hours, the humidifier will power off protection, but the night light function is unchanged. If you want to continue spray, and add water first, and then press this open switch again, it will spray for you again. And I recommend this machine just use the pure water. Because it can protect this machine. And if you find the spray mist is weakened, replace the cotton swab. Replace this filter, and use the alcohol cotton swab wipe, and clean the surface often, and cannot put more liquid with flavor inside. I say it again. Put the pure water inside. It's very good. Okay, now let Susan introduce the next products.
Okay, thanks for calling. Show us this very cute humidifier. Now I'll show you the Aroma Diffuser instruction. So you can see this is a very simple session design of the box. And inside this box, there's the instruction and the aroma diffuser, and here we have a USB cable, so you can charge easily. And now let me show you about this aroma diffuser, which is also a very simple but fashion design. And the color, we have three colors, which is black and red and green. Also, if you would like to have other colors, you can let us know. And now, let me show you how to use this aroma diffuser. First of all, let's remove the top from the bottom, and you can see there's the
oil tank.
yeah,
There is an oil tank. The oil tank inside, and it's made of the bottle, the made of the glass.
and let's take it down.
And we can put the essential oil inside.
Yes. We have put some oils inside before, so now
So I can smell the flavor.
yeah, you can smell already.
Yes.
And now we use this aroma diffuser to enhance the fragrance into air. So now I make tight this oil tank
And fasten the button.
that's it. Oil.
And we have the menu in English. It's very clearly introduce this. Okay, you could see this. The bright color is the classical color, and I think that this color is always the popular color.
Yes.
It's quite small and hot sales.
And
We can use this USB supply. I like the USB plug because the USB lines is quite easy and we can take away anywhere.
yes. So wherever when you have a power bank or a computer or you have adapter, you just can charge it.
Yes, and connect. It's quite easy to connect.
Yes. Now let's charge it into the adapter. So now it's being charged. Well, it's very easy to operate. Just one button and you press it. Now it's on. Now it's on. Well, now it have two modes. Now it's the mode two.
It's quite easy. I have smelled the flavor. I smell it. Yes,
It's very
quite easy.
Now it's in the mode two, which is pressed continuously. And then I press it again. This is mode one, and it just spray by 5 seconds each time.
I think because this one is quite small, so we can just use in a small area. And I think this one we can use it in the car and also in the room, and it's quite easy to take away. It's portable.
And we have some attentions that you need to know. And, one is that do not put it on a roll upside down, just to prevent the oil leak. And another is that do not add water into the oil tank. And so this is the aroma diffuser, and it's just very easy to operate, just as we show you. And so thank you very much. So let's come to another product.
I think if you have this diffuser, you can buy a lot of essential oil and different flavors to use. And different flavor essential oil has the different effects. And the essential oil can protect our skin, and also it can betray us. The essential oils put a lot of into the beauty cream. I think essential oils is very good for our health. So if you like this, you can buy this machine and buy a lot of different flavor oil. So next, and our colleague will introduce our products. And let's welcome Doris.
Hello everyone. Yeah, this is Kathy from Geno Industry.
This is Doris from Geno Industry.
Yeah, just now, so my colleague, the body, and the Susan, the pretty to go. So give you the fantastic the speech about for our oil incense diffuser. So did you get some information about my production?
I think so, because this part we are going to continue to talking about the humidifier and then about the diffuser.
Yeah. Once again, so we would like to take the small time to talking about Geno Industry. So Geno Industry is one of the leader company to provide a lot of the home decor production. So oil incense diffuser is the main another item. So this item is including a lot of character. It looks modern, it's looks fashion, it's useful, it's more fit for the every needs of the market. So the Geno Industry always provide the fantastic production in this world.
Yes, not only in the home but also outside. And now we're talking about that can use for in the car.
Yeah, so just now for the Bonnie and Sunny introduction for some like the table oil incense diffuser. So what kind of the type of the diffuser we can use? It's not only for the table, and also we can use the different for variety of the place.
Yes.
One place is very good we use for the car. So nowadays the people were maybe the half time were spent at home, maybe in the office and the table, and also another maybe half time where to stay with your lovely car. It's long days. In the morning you drive the car, go to the office, and the other days you go back, go to your home. So maybe you have imagination the one day how long you will be together with your car. So during this is a time you will say, oh, if this time is boring, maybe the air is not fresh, and then sometimes you think, oh, it's like a sometimes passion or you think so badly. So that's our company will think about a fantastic production. So how do you to put yourself inside of this the car, the company couple with a car, and this cut together, use this production, and you feel comfortable, and then you enjoy your life in your car and listening to the music, We are here. That is our car diffuser comes out in the world. Luckily, I remember 2 years ago, our company, a German customer, gave this a concept to us to say, Kathy, could you your company to creation a car diffuser? Once I get this project, also, our company, the main production is the tabletop, the diffuser. We never ever have the experience to make the car diffuser. But Geno industry always a company to be brave. Geno industry always to be never refuse customers of any project. So our team, so for Bonnie, for Susan, for Jack, for Kathy and Doris, we like a group. We think about for customers every details needs. Yes, the car diffuser is a great project. So we spent about for 4 months to develop for this, the car diffuser. This is all we come out with the car diffuser for first phase. So my colleague, the Doris, will take the time to introduce what is our car diffuser, right?
Yeah, this very useful, especially for the people who live very far away from the office.
Sure.
And they spend too many time on the way.
Yeah.
About 2 hours.
Yeah.
How long from your home to the office?
Every day I drive the car from in the morning. I spend about for 1 hour and 20 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
It's really the boring time.
Also, when you walk off and you back to home at the same time.
Same time. So you can calculate.
Mm-hmm.
So the whole day I spend the 3 hours.
3 hours,
During
but
the
not
car.
including the traffic jam.
Exactly.
If they have traffic jams, we have much more time.
Exactly.
So we will have to find a good way to make ourselves comfortable and in this time. So this is the product that we want to recommend. This is especially suitable for the car, in your car.
But we have spent about 6 months to make a production. It's a long business journey. The first thing, this is the first step. This one, the first step. Maybe you take time to introduce what is good and how it comes out.
This is the one.
Sorry. Okay.
This is one of the model of the car diffuser.
More clear. More looks. Yeah. Show this here more clearly. Yeah. You see the shape? Okay. Doris? Yeah.
This is one of the model of the car diffuser.
Yeah.
It has 2 functions.
Yeah.
The air humidifier and then the aroma car diffuser.
Yeah.
So it's very suitable for in the car.
Yeah. You can see it. You're easy to put this in here.
Much lighting.
Yeah, see the lighting, and then it's natural to connect with the electronic. Yeah, and here the aroma and the diffuse comes out. This shape looks very cute.
Yes, you can put the water or the pure water or the aroma oil inside.
Yeah.
Then you can feel it's very fresh air and very good smell.
Yes, very good smell. That is that. So as I said, I spent 3 hours during my car. If I use this and then I have a good smell, so it's really comfort me. Yeah. How many the color you have to match for customer needs?
We can customize the color for our client.
Yeah.
We have many kind of color like black,
Yeah.
and red,
Yeah.
pink, and other kind of color. So this is actually depends on the customer request.
Yeah. So Doris, if you are a lady, so what is your best choice for the color?
I think the purple one or the pink one I like best.
Yeah, really. So when we make the production, we always thinking what color to match for the lady and the boy?
Do you remember lately they have a customer of the India?
Yes.
They place order with us.
What color?
Black.
Black color.
I think that is so. This is a man. This is a guy. I think it's not a woman because women normally prefer the pink, white, or purple. And this customer, they especially a point that we need the black color.
Yes, exactly. So when we create the new production, we're always thinking, so who is your consumer? Who is your clients? So we're clever to develop a different color. Like for example, we have a dress, or like a skirt, or whatever. So we make different color to match different customer. So far for our color, we have the purple color, pink color, blue color, black color. Hi, dear customer. Do you know what's the best color so far? What we sell? You never maybe think about, maybe guess up. I would like to say the best color is the black. It's the black. Why is the black color? Why, girls?
Because always the white and the black, always the classic color.
Yeah,
And
classic.
Yeah, the woman and the man both like that, like
Yeah.
the color,
Yeah.
like we wear the clothes.
Yeah.
I think the white and the black always sell very good to others.
Yeah, exactly. So if you are a customer, you are maybe Amazon customer, you have never idea, so, what kind of the color I should to import something, I have a good suggestion to you. Maybe, for example, you buy 1,000 pieces, maybe you put 60% for black color, and then you also buy maybe 20% for the red color, maybe 20% for the purple color, and then the other maybe 20% or maybe 15% for the pink color. Then you have a nicely a category for the car diffuser.
Yes, this is very popular
Yeah,
and very good selling in Europe and US.
yeah,
And not only that, but also the Turkey.
yeah.
Some months ago, they have a Turkish.
Turkey,
I
yeah.
have a customer from Turkey. They
Yeah.
asked me too many questions about this product. It's
Yeah.
because this is very cute.
Yeah,
This is very cute,
Yeah.
and portable, and also
Portable,
very
yeah.
have a good function in
Yeah.
the car.
yes.
And we are not only have this model, we have another
Second,
one.
the phase 2.
Yeah, we have too many
Difference, more function, right?
because we are always customized or we always improve the function or the model or the shape for our customer every time.
What's difference for the phase 1 and phase 2, the car diffuser?
You can see very clearly in this one.
Could you show me more clearly? Hi, Bonnie. Could you show more clearly to have see what's difference for this diffuser? See more clearly. Show. Okay, more near. To get idea, it's totally different for the shade. Clever? Yeah. This we call a phase 1. This we call a phase 2. So it totally looks different, but we add the function for the phase 2. Okay, Doris, you can introduce what's the difference for this phase 2?
It's very clear that the first difference is the shape.
Shape,
It looks
yeah.
like its appearance looks less different.
Yeah, this looks elegant, but this is more difference, yeah?
Yes, and the second difference is about the USB.
The function.
Yeah.
Why? Why the phase 2? You add a different function for this.
Because this is way more easy to use, and we change to this regarding the customer request.
Okay.
Always following the
Yeah.
customer request.
Okay, good. So when we go to the phase 1, we go to the phase 2. So I think we add some element to be the new technology. And you know, now we use the iPhone, we use the different electronic item very often, right? So always the shortage of battery. So when you drive the car, doing the car for 2 hours, suddenly the battery is out of the battery. So you can use this to charge your iPhone, iPod, whatever.
Yes.
That is we change for phase 2. You like it?
Yeah. It's also a new idea.
Yeah, yes. So overall, this is so far the car diffuser, phase 1 and phase 2. Whatever you choose, I think all correct. Yeah. Okay, so that is the car diffuser, what we give you the idea. So if you have some information, if you like our production, just leave a message in the website or get the inquire, ask my name's Kathy, Doris, yeah, all pretty, the lady, and then definitely I give you fantastic service.
Yeah, we have 2 models of this car diffuser, and this is the first one, and this is the second one. And the second one we also divide to 2 parts.
Okay.
And this have the 2 port of the USB.
Yeah.
And we also have a one that just with the one USB. So if you just need the one USB, you can choose another model. So actually we have 3 types of model.
Yeah. So that's we have one USB and 2 USB. Why we have one USB? Because one USB you can charge for one iPhone. Oh, Doris, maybe I remember you have 2 iPhone.
Yeah.
Right? So you can charge 2 iPhones together.
Yes, yes. This is very more convenient.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, so maybe we go to another production.
Yeah. So summer is coming. So what is the most necessary you need, I think?
Oh yeah. Now you know we are in Xiamen, in China's Xiamen. Mostly this is the most beautiful city. So did you ever give some clients about for Xiamen looks like, and then they can feel how beautiful for Xiamen?
In Xiamen, in the summer, we still going to the seaside.
Yeah.
Very hot.
Yeah.
We still going to the seaside.
Yeah. Okay. Xiamen is very in south of China. It's most beautiful city and always go green. So when you go outside, now it's the spring. So you take the air very fresh outside because it's the spring. But when you go to the summer, it's not so friendly. Outside is so hot.
Yes, because if my friend want to come to visit me,
Right.
they always ask me what's the most suitable season that we should go to.
Yeah.
And I normally tell them about October or
Okay.
November, not
Okay.
summer, because summer is very hot.
Yeah.
It's very hot. Sometimes goes to the degree about 38,
Yeah.
39.
Yeah.
It's very hot.
Yeah.
We cannot go anywhere. Even this city is very beautiful, but
Yeah.
you don't want to go anywhere.
Yeah. So what is the most useful for the production used in the summer? So you're very quickly to think about AC air conditioning.
Yes.
But the air conditioning is always in the office and the home.
Exactly.
But for example, if you go to the outside, maybe with your friends, maybe in a car or be something will be help you to be more easily to cooling you down. So
Yes.
this is we call for mini fans comes out this word.
Yes.
So what is a mini fans?
Before talking about the mini fans,
Yeah.
we're talking about the air conditioner.
Yeah.
So, do you think you can suffer the hotness without the air conditioner?
No.
I don't think I cannot accept too.
Right.
Because some people
I have no experience.
I'm afraid of the hot, and some people we are more afraid of the hot. So I think many people cannot accept that.
Then how to do?
So so we have to develop and we have to recommend a new product that can replace air condition
Sure.
when outside.
Yeah, we call this the mini air conditioner, right? Wow. It's
Right.
really, really cute. Yeah,
Very popular for the Indian market.
yeah. So there's a fan, it's more, yeah, open that. It's very, can bend, can change the shape, can hang on your neck.
And
It's
it's
modern.
It's not heavy. Because I take a picture to show my friend,
Yeah,
and my friend said, "Oh, it's too heavy. How do you wear it?"
yeah,
And I said, "It's not heavy.
Yeah.
It's very nice,
yeah,
and also it's very portable,
Very
and it's
portable,
very easy
very
to
light,
wear.
yeah.
Also like a earphone,
yeah.
like an earphone.
So when you maybe,
It's
whatever,
a decoration.
yeah, it's just that when you're working or you're running, you know, and then you
Cooking.
just cooking.
I see a very funny video. There have a woman is cooking in the summer. It's it's very hot.
Yeah.
And her husband carry this
Okay.
and on the leg.
Yeah.
And she's very happy.
Yeah. So how is this to be better, to be well done? For example, you can change the shape, right? How to charge them? How long can you use this?
I think you can charge them for about 1 hour, and then you can use about 2 hours.
Yeah. 1 hour, 2 hour, right?
Mm-hmm.
And charge. Is the Li battery, lithium battery?
Yes, the battery inside.
The battery is very easy. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I like this. Do you like them? So did any check?
Okay, so
Trace also?
2 pieces. Yes.
Oh, it can be opened separately.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you can if you in this if you divide to this
Two
part.
parts.
Yeah.
Still work.
You can
Still work. Let's show.
you can
Take
make it
picture.
stand on the table.
Yeah.
On the table, anywhere.
So in fact, this is separately still with the fence, right?
Mm-hmm.
And now it's together. Linked together. Really nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, trace them. Whatever, change the shape, and you put in your bags, right? You put in whatever in your car. Nowadays, I think the new production is always to be more easy, portable, more easy to put in your bag, whatever. So that is we call modern life.
Yes.
Yeah.
And when I'm using the app, before we use this, this is a new product of ours, right?
Yeah.
And before this year, we always use the air condition.
Yeah.
Air condition makes people feel very dry.
Yeah.
Dry.
Yeah.
And the skin is very dry too.
Yeah.
Sometimes I cannot suffer. So this is a good way to replace, because this cannot make people the skin very dry.
Yeah, I do agree with you, Doris. Yeah. Okay, so this is a lovely production, the mini fence. You can hang on your neck, and then you can take, you can whatever, put your bag. So you get idea, you get impression. Good. So this is just one of the general introduction of the mini fence production. We have a more different mini fence. Okay, we try to introduce more. Wow, another one coming. Okay, compare this one. This looks more, how to say, modern. Yeah, modern is very important for the electronic, right? Mm-hmm. Lovely. The matte black, no matte white. The very few the people to touch them, and also here. Okay, I put here, and then we choose.
This also uses a USB port.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. You like this shape?
Yes.
And then
U shape.
U shape. We call U shape, and also we check it here. We check this here, and then the come from here. The wind come from naturally. It's natural. Then you can hang on your neck. You can running. You can dancing, whatever. You mean, or even sitting in the office. You go here, you go there, cooking, whatever. So we call this kind of the air conditioning. The difference with the normally traditional air conditioning, as we call the moving fence. We go everywhere, right? We go everywhere. Yeah, good. So get idea? Yeah, I think that for dear customer. So just now I introduced two kind of the mini fence. It just to give you idea. We want to creation for the new world, the production, and then this production can match for customer in the hot summer's needs. And then you can see, how can we bring the brilliant production in this hot summer, and then to cooling down yourself, to peaceful yourself, to happy yourself.
Yes.
Right.
You are feeling more calm down and peaceful.
Right, exactly right. Okay, so and the more production you can show for the clients.
Yes.
Thank you, Bonnie. Yeah. So this, wow, another cute one coming.
That's the new one.
Yeah.
This is like a decoration.
Yeah.
Oh, a mirror.
You like why? You like mirror? Why? Tell me.
Yeah.
Tell me real thing.
I think every lady will like it.
Yeah.
When you use this to make you feel cool, and then you can also just look yourself.
Yeah. Yeah, I remember. So in your bag, you have also a mirror, right? It's always something you fit.
When
Yeah.
we doing the working, and we go outside to have dinner with our friends.
Yeah.
We also can do that. We will use this. Now, when we go outside, some lady are makeup, right?
Yeah.
And
Makeup everywhere.
Yeah.
I remember you makeup everywhere.
You also.
Yeah,
Yes.
exactly.
You have to make up very well.
Yeah.
And then the most important is the lipstick.
Yeah.
When we use this lipstick,
Yeah.
we always need to use a mirror to
To make up beautiful
Yeah.
and have this time.
Mhm.
Yeah, I do. Yeah, this is really to add this concept that means for the ladies useful. But this is it's good also for man or boy.
Yeah. Also the man, the boy also use the mirror.
Really? Okay, good. So this is also for electronic. So you charge here, you put the Type C the charge here, and then it can last maybe for 1 hour. Easy, right? You're hang on your neck, and then you're walking, you're running, whatever. So relax.
Yes.
Yeah, this way. Good. You have more instruction to. I can hear here. Okay, another one coming. We call for the mini fence, modern fence.
This one.
This is really cute one. Okay, Doris, could you introduce something to our dear friends?
This is also another model of the fence,
Yeah.
and it's different from the before three.
Mm.
This can put cold water inside, and then
Where to put the water? Okay.
you can divide to two parts, and this container to put water inside,
Yeah.
and then sometimes you can put the ice water. Ice water.
Yes.
So the
Ice water more cooling down.
wind will
More
come
cool.
to very cool.
Mm.
It's also like a air conditioner, very portable one.
Yeah. This is what we call the desktop mini fence, right? This is the difference with the hang on the neck. This we should do to connect with the electronic. And then here you can see the back side is connected with Type C. And then it's charged by this, the plug. So once we go to the, and then this also can have a, mist and very cooling, and then have a foggy, and the foggy come out. So if you use your hand to touch here, you will feel real cool comes out. Just now for the Doris say, we can use here, the bottom we can use the, like ice water. It's very important to use the ice water.
Yes.
And that ice water to come, the feeling, wow, it's so cool, so cooling down. So what's difference, this the fans, and also maybe traditional AC difference? You can, for example, you are in an office or your desk, and you feel very the hot, very comfortable. So you can use this to clear near by yourself, right? And then so the air and the cooling down the ice, the water, will let you feel really, really comfortable. And you can move them, move it, whatever, right?
On the table.
Yeah, put it at the table, or even maybe you're sleeping, or maybe in your bed. In your bed, you want to do some reading, and then you can move them to nearby with you. I think this is really cute. We also have a different color. We have about for pink color, a blue color, and also for coffee color. So all different color to be the match for different customer requirement, right? Yeah. Do you want to show some of the packaging for this one? I like this packaging. The packaging, yeah. I would like to spend some time to talking about this packaging. Yeah.
Water cooling fan.
You see? I think that for some friends or maybe clients who listen to watch for our video, a nice video, and definitely you want to do something. Maybe you are the Amazon customer, or maybe you are Amazon seller. So you really care about how quickly your production can sell out. So don't worry, for Geno industry already think about everything for you. So you see, it's very clean and nicely the color picture of the packaging, right? And also high quality for this cardboard quality. And also we have a styrofoam, and then put them to protect as a drop test, and no worry about for shipping or even for reshipment the problem. So here the design is, you know, you understand how they use in your table, right? And then it's beautiful, nice packaging. And once you go to for Amazon, we have English, the very good the color box, and also we help you to put the barcode. And then, for example, you do for the e-commerce business, and don't worry about, because the barcode will help you to easily to go to the FBA, the warehouse, to help you to very smooth to do the e-commerce business.
If they have, we have customers that are asking about the drop shipping.
Right. Right.
We also have customers about asking about the logo.
Yeah.
They want to put their logo.
Sure.
So how do you think so?
Sure. I think if, for example, we have a MOQ, the quantity, for example, if you order maybe for 1,000 pieces, you say, oh, Kathy, can I have our own logo? Can I have our own packaging? Wow, definitely. So our service is to be, our mission of the value is to let our customer succeed. Unless you succeed, and then we can succeed. Unless you are happy, then we are happy. So every day, what we are done is to do really deeply service for our customer. So the world is big, maybe for 200 countries. Some customer come from the USA, some come from Europe, some come use the French word, some come the Japanese word. So over the words, they have a different requirement. Never mind, because yes, this is really what our Geno industry want to do, the service for you, right? That's our team really want to work with you. So you understand from MOQ, you are easily to have your own brand. You are easily to build up your name in this world. The more important, I help our customer to build your name, to be a famous, to be a outstanding, to be a succeed. And then we can together, work together, shake their hands, shake together. Then we are the friends. So today, I hope you love what our production, you love our car diffuser, our tabletop diffuser, and love our mini fans. It's not only you love our production. I really want to give the deep impression is our fantastic team. So here together, the Bonnie, I invite my team to come here again. The Bonnie come here, the Susan come here, and the Jack come here. And then, because our lovely team, really,
Yes, of course.
Yeah, it's not, I think the production is very important, right?
Yes.
But more important is our team. And this team, we full of the, challenge. Yeah, together. Yeah, can we together? Okay, more together. Yeah. Yeah, together. Oh, yeah, good. Okay, now we have we have a good team. Of course, now 4 of us is the main like a business lady. I'm Kathy. You are
Doris, Susan,
And Bonnie.
Yeah. So I think a good team. It's not only for we have a production. It's no more important. It's our people. It's our colleague, and all pretty lady. We always think about what we can provide the best production in this world.
Yes, and wonderful teamwork is very important for us.
Sure.
Yes.
Sure.
We would like to service. You have a good service, and we would like to service you and as a friend.
Yeah.
Customer always comes first.
Yeah. Yes. So this is a video. I think the more important you can remember is, I'm always here. Geno industry. We are always service here. Bring the brilliant production. We're always here to think about what is the next step we can provide. The new creation in this world. We never stop. Keep going.
Yes.
Keep going. It's our mission. So our mission, our value is to be the top leader of the healthy production and to be relaxed life.
Yes, and our mission is to make your life better.
I hope I always can work with you and really to show our passion, our hard work, our effort to do what we can do. Remember us, we are in the Xiamen, we are Geno industry, we're always here, and we'll see not long time later. Maybe 2 days later, we will again to introduce more production. I hope you can come back once again.
Yes, and remember what we have and what we introduce the products. And if you like our products, and you can send it.
Okay, so Doris, should we say goodbye to the friends?
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
好，然后翻还。
太能讲了。
看你们后面已经
我们合个影
了，
合个影。
已经开了。
所以我们在这边要合个影啊，团队。
因为等一下，我看4个人就是。
太能讲了，扯的人扯动了。
行吗？自然吗？
对，
超级美。
自然。
OK， 超级美，我们团队可以过来，把手收起来。
站哪边而已。
星期三
就站这里是最好。
这边合个影，因为我两边
看这张。
你看会太亮。
这边没有了，我在低头啊。
这4个其实，还有几张？
来多合影啊！来，再来合影起来。来，过来朋友们，现在就不受这个影响了，至少能讲。
啊，让我这边关掉。